What is good, everyone? Tristan here. I just got off work. I'm going home now to prepare for the weekend. This weekend I'm camping again, but not only am I camping, I'm going kayaking for the first time. All right, first time at Trap Pond, here we go. Nice little site. This is gonna be a good weekend. Yo! What's going on, boys?
So I knew it was you because I saw the sun shining off your head in the background.
Really?
I did. I was like, oh, that's Tristan.
What'd you say?
I said, you like my pizza blanket.
Yo. Man's got the pizza blanket.
W.
Oh,
W
yeah,
in
look
the
at
chat.
that. Alright, strong man. Let him know. I know it was only 2 weeks ago, but it feels good to be back camping again. Look at this setup. Little camp store here. Hey, nice little merch.
$45.
Camp tool, fire striker, marshmallow sticks. I got the Jiffy Pop. Oh, dude. I mean, if it wasn't $10, I'd say you should get that. But it's like $5 at. Hey. Yo, folding wash basin.
That's clutch.
That's pretty sick. Dude, okay, that's kind of sick. I've been looking for one of those. Folding bowl. Pretty solid price too for it. Oh snap! Here's the ice cream. Nice little refrigerated section. Oh, they got propane.
Dude, check these out.
Hey.
These are $25. Dude, honestly, that might be worth it. The wood ones here.
Hey, I don't know if you needed that for finding that Gandalf staff. Oh wow, that is very solid.
I am gonna get that tractor pull tent though, so I'll have to get some of these soon.
All right, I'd say we are pretty much all set up here. Just gotta get a couple more tents down and then we'll be good.
I mean, I think that was pretty good.
Looks like Sir Nicholas is glamping today.
Oh, did you already get your sleeping pad set up?
Oh, nah. But like,
It's a mattress.
She said Alex is a
like
cop.
what? For hands to me, here's your
yeah,
bed.
that
I'm like,
thing.
what? Cyborg material.
Now that I'm looking at
Alright, bro, how you feeling today on this fine Saturday?
Good. Oh, there isn't. No, there is a lens on it. Okay.
Sorry, just act normal. Act like the camera's not even here.
Start geeking
Ah.
out.
Alrighty, this is my I think this is everyone's first time at Trap Pond, correct?
Yeah, yeah.
I think Nick's the only one who's been here, and that was years ago, but nice little loop we're in here. As you can see by the many RVs, this is actually mainly an RV loop, but tents can be used here as well, and we do have this little trailer. I'm about to go check out the water, bro. You want to slide real quick?
Yeah. Here, let me put my dad back in here.
So we're actually very close to the pond itself. The pond is actually... Yeah, dude, he's living his best life. A little RC car over there. I want to say the pond itself is about 10 miles? 10 miles long? It's pretty good, yeah. Ooh, what kind of car is
I
that?
have no idea. It's cool though. Oh, here it is.
Oh, there's picnic tables over here. This looks beautiful.
Great. Oh my God, it's like the brightness off the water is crazy.
I know. Look at these, dude. I don't know if you can see that tree.
That like mangrove
Yeah.
looking thing, yeah.
Thing's like a foot and a half thick, and that's
This tent has been very solid so far. I think I've used it 4 or 5 times now within the past month. Only about like 60 bucks on Amazon too. All right, me and Nick are the first people kayaking. I've never used a hard body kayak before, but it's gonna be a good time. Let's go. Nick's first launch. Hey. Thanks, guys.
Get you in there.
Wow. Okay, so this is a lot smaller than the
Ready? Comfortable?
Yep. Yo, I am out here. We couldn't have picked a more perfect day, man. The sun's out, but it's not hot. It's not humid. Oh my God, that wind feels too good, man.
Loud.
Yeah, these trees look nuts. Wow, dude, look at these. That looks crazy. There's trees in the middle of the water.
This is the perfect tree, man.
It is. Oh, it's 2 of them. They're back to back. If only I had a friend who knew what these were. Oh, wait.
Hey Tristan, you kayaking right now?
Hey, Sydney. What are these trees called?
Oh wow, that's a bald cypress tree, also known as Taxodium visticum. It is a deciduous conifer, meaning that
Really?
it is not an evergreen, so
Okay.
it does lose its leaves in the winter, and it reproduces by producing cones, sort of like a pine tree.
Man, that is really cool.
So, bald cypresses are able to live in these swampy areas because they have what are known as knees, which are sections of the roots that actually stick out above the water, which they're able to respirate from. So they're able to draw oxygen or carbon dioxide from the air that way. And so they don't rot in the water. So I studied botany and trees and plants in college, which is why I know so much about them, and bald cypresses are actually one of my favorite trees. So I have a particular interest in them.
Thank you, Sydney, for tuning in and giving us that little tree lesson. I am gonna go over to those trees really quick and then head back for some lunch. It really is, man. Where else are you gonna see that? Oh, that was so nice. Alright, so we can push you off. Great push. That was hella chill. The sounds of the water, sounds of the birds. We saw a stork, and then some other long-necked bird. I don't know what it was.
No, I had the hatchet and I was just being brain dead. That was pretty cool.
That's a nice little cabin you got there.
Look, he's making little fucking
Oh,
shapes.
feather sticks?
Yo.
Now you want to see a trick, bro?
No, this one's right. This one.
Oh.
Yo, he's smart as fuck. He's in like all of his brain right now.
Well, it's my first time doing this.
Yo, not the stick.
Hey.
Did you make that yourself, Chris? Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah, man.
We low-key had to turn the zombie count down though, because
It's pizza time, baby. Nah. You gotta like aim it correctly. It's so weird. All you need is that singular time. Alright, this is my setup for today. Shout out to Chris for the canopy and the lights. Dough's looking very voluptuous.
Oh.
Got the charcoal roaring in the uni. That looks crazy.
Oh, she's ready to go.
Oh! Woohoo!
Yeah, didn't somebody, or was it in Discord?
I have no idea.
Oh, got the go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, both
Let's go. First buy in.
right
Oh,
on
man.
the burner, on the electric burner.
The one side's a little burnt. Oh, did you hear that, Chris? Hey, shout out Brian. These plates fit a pizza perfectly. Here you go, boss. I'm gonna have to open up the this little buffalo sauce drizzle.
Kara told her mom that like I'm very outdoorsy. She got me a shit ton of camping stuff. I just never got.
And the same thing's going straight in. Oh,
Best
dude.
stuff.
Hell yeah.
Or like your favorite stuff.
That buffalo chicken's looking crazy.
Dude.
Oh, yeah.
Are these even getting cooked? Oh yeah, they are a little. Oh
I'm just trying to cook mine.
Oh no, my marshmallow.
One bite, everybody knows the rules.
Alright, y'all. I'm hitting the sack.
Rest up.
Brian.
Yep.
Oh. Yo!
Alright.
Alright, Doc. Yeah, I have no fucking idea what time I'm gonna wake up, but
I want to try to get up early.
Alex, I'm gonna listen to music, fall asleep, and see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Morning, bro. That picture you had, or you took of Brian and Alex looked insane. Apparently Brian and Alex have been on the water like all morning. Nick got a crazy photo of them. Look at these guys. Thanks, boys. I got it.
9:30, 10.
Yeah, what time is it now?
Quarter of 9.
She's like all over. Sweat is dripping out of my face.
Damn.
A little bit cold up, man.
Terrain? Terrain. Oh wait, Terrapin Branch? Oh, it's telling us to go to the right. Yeah, Brian and Alex definitely did not make it out here. We would have seen their tracks. On a mound. Pro yacker until I hit a branch. My God, there's a crazy spider on it. Sir, you can't park here.
Actually,
Alright, it's time to clean up camp.
Yeah. Alright, looks like it's pretty flush right there. Good. Can I push a little bit more?
Alrighty, boys. Let my head out. Alright. Nice seeing you.
You got that long boy drive.
yeah.
Nice meeting you.
You as well. Take care.
Catch you guys on Discord.
That was a nice little weekend. It was my first time kayaking. I don't even think I mentioned that at all. But yeah, Trap Pond is beautiful. Those trees were amazing. Definitely gonna have to come back out here and rent a cabin for a couple nights. I think it's only 60 bucks a night, which is pretty dang good if you ask me. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.